Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I've got a review to do today, and I'll tell you what. I've never done a review from this company before. It is for some shirts, and they are definitely Moose approved, at least on the internet. We're going to see how they go in real life, but on the internet, they look pretty sweet. And I had to get it. I'm hoping that it feels like Roosevelt's type material. And it's called RewindEra. That's the name of the shirts. That's where they came from. And thank you for your purchase. For any purchase product claims, we request you record a short video of unpacking this video. Oh, that's pretty wild. I'm actually doing a review for it. So actually read that. Yeah. So it's saying, while unpacking your package as proof of condition upon arrival. That's not good. So that must mean they must have had some issues in order to have that put on the package. And came from Grapevine, Texas. So we will see. And these shirts I ordered are definitely childhood memories. And it's a little bit different. Thank you for being part of our journey. RewindEra was born from our love of the iconic culture of the 80s and 90s legendary movies, unforgettable cartoons, retro games, and music that shaped our generation. Every design is crafted for you to express your passion for these classics in a fresh way. We hope you found something you loved. From us to you, RewindEra. And it came in a bag like this. Thank you. Open it. We hope you enjoy your order as much as we enjoy creating it. Sealed with love, RewindEra. Huh. So the first one I'm going to do here is, who remembers the Saturday morning cartoons? And there was a cartoon back in the 80s. and I'm hoping this feels good because this shirt is pretty awesome. I know you guys can't see it yet, but here it is. Who remembers this cartoon? We got the Junkyard Dog. We got Tito Santana, the Iron Sheik, Roddy Piper. We got Big John Studd, Hillbilly Jim, Captain Lou Albano, Jimmy Superfly Snuka, Mean Gene Okerlund. Who else we got on here? Let's see, I think I said Big John Studd already. I think that's pretty much it. I wonder why Nikolai Volkov isn't on here. He's got to be on here somewhere, right? Oh, I got Andre the Giant. I don't know if I said him or not yet. But that is pretty damn cool. And now we are going to try... All right, now we're going to set this one aside and we'll show a close-up on that in a moment. And the next one I got is, you guys know I'm a huge fan of Masters of the Universe. And this one here paid homage to that. Yeah, this one's great. I can already tell you I'm going to be ordering more. They had one that was a Burger Time. You guys remember that game, the Burger Time game? But here is the He-Man with all the characters on it. We got Mecha-Neck, we got Beastman, we got Skeletor, we got He-Man, obviously. We got Scareglow, Teela, Man-at-Arms, Ram-Man, Fisto, Merman. Wow. Yeah, this is my kind of shirt here. Love it. I hope this feels great. Moss Man's even on here? I'll be damned. Love it. Sorceress. Wow. Yeah. All right, let's go and show a close-up of these. Here's a close-up of the Masters of the Universe one. Look at this. Evil Lynn. Of course, got Skeletor, like I said, even Prince Adam. Yeah, this is great. I missed out on the one from Roosevelt's. It sold out so damn fast. There's Beastman. That is so cool. Again, these are by RewindEra. All right, let's go ahead and do the Hulk Hogan Rock and Roll Wrestling. Got Tito Santana, obviously Hulk Hogan, Roddy Piper, Captain Lou, Junkyard Dog, Mean Gene Okerlund, Big John Studd, Hillbilly Jim. Oh, there he is. There's Nikolai Volkov. Jimmy Superfly Snuka, Iron Sheik. Man, this brings back a ton of memories. Love it, love it, love it. RewindEra. I hope it feels good wear on, because if so, I'm going to be getting more. Wowzers. Awesome sauce. All right, let's go ahead and try these on. All right, so we got the Hulk Hogan Rock and Wrestling on. This thing definitely hits home, pays homage to my childhood. And it's even got a little pocket here, which is nice. Let's go ahead and stand up, show you what it looks like on. This is a 3XL. Probably should have got a 2XL, but I will order more. But there is the 3XL Rock and Wrestling Hulk Hogan cartoon from the 80s. Yeah, this is pretty sweet. This is pretty sweet. One thing it doesn't have is Macho Man. It has Queen Elizabeth, but not Macho Man. But yeah, so this one here, I'm going to give this like a 4.3. It brings back a lot of childhood memories. The material is a lot better than I thought it was going to be, but it's still really thin. Just to give you perfect for the summer. All right, so we're going to go ahead and pause it here, and we're going to try on the Masters of the Universe. All right, so I have the Masters of the Universe on here now. I'm going to go ahead and stand up to show you what this one looks like. But this one here is my cup of tea. Definitely Moose approved. He's got Hordak on here. I mean, there's so many characters I'm missing because they're just freaking awesome. But Beastman's on here. I've seen Whiplash, Buzz Off. Yeah, I don't even know which ones I missed or which ones I already called out. All right, let's go to King Randor. All right, let's go ahead and pull it up here. Show you what this looks like. This is me. This thing is freaking snazzy. Can't wait to wear this. This is badass. Ram Man. I think I already said Ram Man. Mechaneck. I don't know if I said him or not. Armor He-Man. Yeah. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, got my daughter calling me. Hey, I'm in the middle of a review. What'd you need?
Hooper's done?
Oh, is he? Okay, I'm going to get him.
Okay.
All right, bye. So Hooper is done. That was my daughter. She had to go get him to get trimmed, get groomed. But yeah, so this one here is awesome. 4.9. I can't give it a 5 because I wish the material was a little bit thicker. But awesome. Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think of these two shirts. Did you like the Rock and Wrestling more than the Masters of the Universe? Or vice versa? All right, everybody. Again, Reviews of Moose. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see everybody next time. Thanks again for watching.